Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tapioca balls. First, bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. It's important to use at least 4 cups of water for every 1/4 cup of tapioca balls you plan to cook. Make sure the water is vigorously boiling before you add any tapioca, as this prevents them from clumping together and ensures even cooking from the start. Once your water is boiling, gently add the tapioca balls and stir them immediately to prevent sticking. Cook on high heat for about 30 seconds, then reduce the heat to medium-low. Let them simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. They should become mostly translucent with just a tiny white center when perfectly cooked and ready for the next step. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat and cover it. Allow the tapioca balls to rest for 10 to 15 minutes in the hot water. This helps them finish cooking through. Next, drain them using a fine mesh sieve and rinse thoroughly under cold running water. This crucial step removes excess starch and keeps them from sticking together, ensuring a perfect texture. Your freshly cooked tapioca balls are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately with your favorite bubble tea, desserts, or sweet soups for the best texture and flavor. For optimal quality, try to consume them within 4 hours of cooking. If you have any leftovers, store them in a simple syrup or plain water in the refrigerator for up to 2 days to maintain their freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.